I'm gonna say something that will annoy some people. Crunches will not flatten your stomach. They never were going to. And I say that as someone who did hundreds of them a week for years. Here's why. Crunches work the muscle you can see, the one on the surface. Your stomach is held in by different muscle underneath, and that wraps around you like a corset. That one does not respond to crunches. It responds to breath. So you can do 1,000 crunches and never once switch on the muscle that actually holds you. That is not a motivation problem. That is doing the right amount of work on the wrong thing. If you've been crunching for years and wondering why nothing changed, this is why. Click the link below to join my free Core Confidence Challenge.